Hi, today let's begin important questions on function part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. So let's begin question number 1. Question number 1. If f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and range is equal to 2, 4, 6, find the domain of fx. To simplify this question, let's take the help of a diagram, balloon diagram or Venn diagram. In this diagram, we have mentioned range 2, 4, 6 and we need to calculate domain. So we know domain means all the elements which are present in first set, and we have learned that domain is represented by x and range is represented by y. That is, here we write x which represents all the elements present over here in the first set, and here we write y which represents all the elements present in this set. Remember one more thing, the range y is also written as f of x. The range y is also written as f of x, that is y is equal to f of x. So in our question we are provided f of x equal to 2x minus 3, that is y is provided as 2x minus 3. Now y is given, y is 2, 4 and 6. So we need to find the corresponding x. So when y is equal to the first element 2, so when y is equal to 2, we have we have 2 equal to 2x minus 3. This y is replaced by this 2. So 2 is equal to 2x minus 3. Let's solve this to get the value of x, or it is 2 plus 3 equal to 2x, or it is equal to 5 equal to 2x. So on solving we get x is equal to 5 over 2. Is this clear? Similarly we will take y as 4 and we will put the value of y again over here, the value of y as 4 over here to get the value of x. So let's continue. When y is equal to 4, we have 4 equal to 2x minus 3. This value 4 we have kept over here, and the right hand side is copied as it is. Now let's solve it for x, or we can write it as 4 plus 3 equal to 2x, or it is 7 equal to 2x. So therefore x is equal to 7 over 2. Similarly, when y is equal to 6, we have 6 is equal to 2x minus 3. This 6 has come by putting in place of y, and the right hand side is copied as it is. Now let's solve it for x. So, or 6 plus 3 equal to 2x, or it is 9 equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to 9 over 2. So in this way, we have found the values of x. It means, now again if we look in this diagram, this 2 is related to 5 by 2. So here we should put 5 by 2. So it is 5 by 2. Again, this 4 is related to 7 by 2. So here we should put 7 by 2. This 6 is related to 9 by 2. So here we should put 9 by 2. So ultimately we have found our domain. So therefore domain is a set of all x. So it is 5 by 2, comma 7 by 2, comma 9 by 2. So this is our answer. Question number 3. Find the inverse of the following, find the inverse of the function given as below. So function is provided. We need to find the inverse of this function. We know inverse of a function is obtained by interchanging domain and range. In this diagram, this is domain and this is range. We need to find inverse of fx. We know inverse of fx is written as f inverse x. What is this? It is inverse of fx. And as I said, inverse of a function is obtained by interchanging domain and range. So domain will become range and range will become domain. So our required answer will be here we mention f inverse x. So as I said you, domain will become range and range will become domain. So here these are range. So we will write all these elements in the first set of f inverse. That is, we will write here minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3, 5. And in the next set, we write the elements of domain of fx. So it is minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Now let's relate them. So minus 3 goes to minus 4, minus 1 goes to minus 2, 1 goes to 0, 3 goes to 2 and 5 goes to 4. I hope this is clear. So this is inverse of a function. Again I repeat, inverse of a function is obtained by interchanging domain and range. Domain and range are interchanged to find inverse of a function. Okay, now let's go to next question. Question number 4. Find the inverse of the function given by gx is equal to 2 comma a, 3 comma b and 4 comma c. As we know, inverse of gx is written as g inverse x. So we need to calculate g inverse x. And we know inverse of any function is obtained by interchanging domain and range. So here in function gx, these 2, 3 and 4, they are the part of domain, and a, b, c, they are the part of range. So we will make domain as range and range as domain. So we can write G inverse x equal to a comma 2, b comma 3, c comma 4. So this is our inverse function, inverse of gx. I hope this is clear. Now let's go to question number 5, last question of this video. Question number 5. Find the inverse of the function given by f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. So solution, we know f of x is also written as y. So we are given f of x as 3x plus 5, which is equal to y. Now to find the inverse of any function, we interchanged x and y. We interchange x and y. So we write here interchanging the role of x and y. You can write swapping as well, as swapping, swapping x and y, or you can write interchanging the role of x and y. So when we interchange, we get 3y plus 5 equal to x. Means in place of this y, we have mentioned x, and in place of this x, we have mentioned y. Now we will simplify this equation to get the value of y. So let's simplify, or we can write this as 3y equal to x minus 5. Just a moment. So after this, or y is equal to x minus 5 over 3. So this y we have obtained after interchanging x and y, after interchanging the role of x and y. Before interchanging, the y was representing f of x. Now after interchanging, this y will represent f inverse x. I repeat, before interchanging, y was representing f of x. After interchanging, y will represent f inverse x. So therefore f inverse x is equal to x minus 5 over 3. So this is our answer for this question. I hope this is also clear.